Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling WSL and the virtual machine platform so Linux can run natively. Open PowerShell as admin and run the command to set WSL to version 2. This gives better performance and full system call compatibility. Once done, install your chosen Linux distro from the Microsoft Store and launch it to complete initialization. Make sure to install Windows Terminal next, because it provides tabs, font settings, and profiles that make daily work smoother and more efficient. After your distro initializes, you create a Linux user and password. This identity owns files and runs commands. You should immediately update package lists and apply upgrades so libraries are secure. Use sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade for Debian-based systems. Once updated, install essential tools like Build Essential, curl, git, and OpenSH client to compile, fetch, and transfer code. Make sure to configure SSH keys and git names /email so remote operations are seamless and reproducible across sessions. To finish, mount and configure access to Windows drives and adjust your path so you can call Windows executables from Linux and vice versa. This enables cross-dual workflows. Customize your shell, bashrc or ZSHRC, and set Windows Terminal's default profile for quick access. If something breaks, first restart the LXSS Manager service or reboot. If that fails, run WSL Update and WSL Shutdown, then reinstall the WSL feature. These steps resolve most kernel, distro, and integration issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.